哈，大家好，我是ikoin。今天带你看的不是流行，而是意大利美学的标准。Let's go。当别人在展示作品 ，Gallotti Radice 已经在定义设计的精神高度。
Exactly. Now everyone, welcome to our. This year has been introduced some new collections. Here you can see Silce table. The design has been introduced last year, as a dining table. This year we introduced a new finishing named Conchiglia.
Conchiglia.
The finishing is made using a stone powder on the wooden surface, and then is spatulated by hand. As you can see here, it's a special size. It's about 5 meters long. So we try to develop some kind of table that can be very flexible in terms of sizes. Okay, here there is another new item you can see yet in the Malaysian market. Is a tratto lighting.
Tratto lighting.
Tratto, because it looks like a kind of graphic design. 2 different sizes and 4 different kind of color of glasses with different tonality. Actually, we have just 2 versions, one vertical and one horizontal. Yeah.
This is a classic chair.
It's a classic
different color for this year.
Last sideboard, designed by Silvia Gallotti, who is the CEO of the company, using a special finishing. In this case, we are talking about aluminum leaf applied on the
glass finish.
On the glass.
Wow. Because from far I saw this look like aluminum, but this is a glass base.
It's glass.
Wow.
And it's a modular, because you can see 2 by 2 by 2 and can be separated.
Wow. You see inside? Because I know this brand, the famous is glass finish.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And very fine and detailed.
This is a new concept of sofa. It's thanks to the artificial intelligence. Has been developed a kind of sketch.
Wow, this is the AI design.
Exactly, AI design. Of course, then has been reconsidered according to the possibility to have comfortable. Then another very interesting project is
coffee table.
Coffee tables. It is aluminum. It's a totally aluminum. It's a honeycomb structure. There is no wooden structure inside. It's a 180 degrees.
Yep.
Rotational. It's coming back to the original position.
Back position.
And you simply have a sensor to switch off the light. There's a new chair, very comfortable, you can try. This is a very interesting table that's been introduced last year in a different finishing. This year we introduced a new color. We have totally 4 colors. This year we introduced a colored glass matching with the color of the base. To have a full reflection on the surface. Can you see? The designer was to use stainless steel material. And another interesting aspect is regarding the leg. This is a kind of stick of glass glued all together, and it can be used as a leg. The finishing is the rocket chair.
I like rocking chair. They're very luxury, but they're very feminine and round shape and look very nice.
In some way, the presence of Silvia Gallotti as art director of the company give really this kind of femininity aspect, make very comfortable and cozy.
While other showcase design, Gallotti Radice defines the spiritual attitude of design itself.